If your automotive plant is racking and de-racking parts, this is for you. Racking applications break down when the racks aren't to specifications, when the part isn't racked properly, when the rack isn't perfectly in place. By training both the racks and the truck hoods into our AI, Apera View Vision software can perform with the reliability and precision you need. Eye-in-hand vision enables this task. The robot-mounted cameras scan the area to find the racks and the next pickable hood. In between, it shows the precision needed to place the part on a fixture for welds or assembly. Choosing vision-guided robotic material handling spares your people from hard, repetitive lifting. Repeatable racking and de-racking means they can focus on part quality and improving other areas of your plant. Before the vision program reaches production, it goes through 1 million simulated cycles. When you build a cell with Apera AI, you only need a few hours of downtime to get the vision system online. Want to get started? Get in touch with our expert team to discuss your vision-guided robotic application today.